How to delete Pinterest account. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can delete your Pinterest account. So to do that, first of all, open up the Pinterest application on your mobile device and then make sure you are logged into your Pinterest account. And now once you're logged in, simply tap on the saved option which is in the bottom right corner of your screen. After that, you'll be taken to your profile page where you'll have to tap on the three lines on the top right corner of your screen. Now simply tap on the option settings. After that, a bunch of various options will appear where you'll have to tap on the third option which is account management. Now scroll down and then on the bottom side of the screen you can see delete your data and account. So simply tap on it and then simply tap on continue. Now you'll have to select the reason as to why you are leaving Pinterest. So you can select any one of these and then tap on the option send email, and there you have it. An email has been sent with final steps to delete your accounts. So they will send an email to your email address and then you will have to delete your account from there. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.